Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to add tags to your YouTube video. We are going to do this on mobile phone. So what you need first is your YouTube Studio. If you don't have this YouTube Studio, you need to download this. If you're on Android, you need to go to Google Play Store right now and download this application, and let's get started. So let's go straight to our YouTube Studio on our mobile phone, and let's click on this content icon. You can see that is red at the bottom of the screen, and let's click on this pen tool. You can see right now on this video. As you all can see right now on the screen, we are given different options. We have the first one is our description, visibility, audience, police, and more. Under the more option, we're going to click on it to open our tags. Then let's click on add tags. To add tags, you have to think about that video. The first thing that comes to your mind when you want to search about that video, on YouTube. This video is all about the 2022 BMW X2. So let's go to our tags by clicking on those tags and categories in comment. Let's type in BMW X2 and click on and type comma. Add a comma to it after every text. Let me do it again so you all can see. The 2022 BMW X2 and click on this comma again. One thing I would like you all to notice that whenever you're adding tags to your YouTube video, always make sure they are small letters. I prefer you guys use small letter when adding tags to YouTube video. Let's go again and comma. Now click on this back on your mobile phone. Click on the back again and click on save. This is how you can add tags to your YouTube video. If you find this video helpful, give this video a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. And if you have any other problem adding tags to your YouTube video, let me know in the comment section.